Hello everyone! Again, this is Noemi and welcome to another DIY or masabi ko cooking lesson for our doTERRA. And for today, I have a guest. Isa din siya sa mga wellness advocate natin. None other than Bea.
Hello, I'm Bea. I'm excited to do this.
Yeah. So ano bang plano natin gawin ngayon?
Today we're gonna do chocolate chip cookies. But first, we have to wash hands with our doTERRA On Guard foaming hand wash. What we'll need are 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course, hindi mawawala, doTERRA Peppermint Oil. Okay, let's start.
So, as we start for our baking lesson today, first heat up the oven. So, to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. So, the first thing we will do is we're gonna cream the sugar and the butter. Okay. So, lagay natin dito. So, ang gagawin ko, I'll cream this one. Our butter. And then the sugar. Kaya will be sifting together our dry ingredients. We have the flour. And then what else?
Baking soda.
So, yan. And then we have our... The salt. And then, of course, our chocolate.
And then the cocoa powder.
And so what we'll do, mix muna natin siya sama-sama. Okay, mix it together and then we'll sip it. Okay. So yeah, so you can sip it all together. So we'll add eggs. And our 2 teaspoon vanilla. And Bea, pakibigyan mo nga ako ng isang drop of peppermint.
1 drop of peppermint.
Okay. So, let's mix it all together. Naamoy mo na yung
Yes.
peppermint?
So question po, peppermint lang po ba yung pwedeng ilagay sa
Sa
mga
cookies na
baking
ganito?
po?
Of course not. Pwede iba't ibang flavor. You can use probably orange, yung wild
Yeah.
orange
If
natin.
you want like fruity.
Oo, fruity flavor. So, we'll just make sure to just mix it all together. So, after we cream all the wet ingredients, pagsasamahin na natin together with the dry ingredients. O sige, ilagay mo siya. Ayan, so ikaw na mag-mix dyan lahat ng ating dry ingredients.
Ito po, i-add.
I-mix muna natin tapos we'll add it up.
And if you want more
Chocolate?
chocolates, this is your choice. You can add more chocolate chips.
Or morsels ng chocolate. Ayan. O sige, so i-mix na natin to.
We're gonna add our chocolate morsels. So, to make it more interesting.
And then, after this one, pagka na-mix na natin lahat, we will just make it into rolls and then put it in our cooking sheets. Now, we'll make our roll. Ayan. So, ano natin dito. Ayan. O, ikaw naman. Of course, it has peppermint para minty yung ating taste.
Oh, ayan, fail! Ayaw, kailangan na yung kutsara po last time.
Okay.
Nandito po. So here, even you have to give spaces and even sizes. So there. Then we're ready to go.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Okay. So yan na, we have made some rolls for our cookies, and now we'll put it in the oven.
Remember that oven is already set for 350 and the cooking time will be
10 to 12.
10 to 12 minutes. It's really easy because this is my first time baking something from the scratch.
So now we'll put the doughs into our oven. Okay, now our cookies are ready. Okay, this is our,
Chocolate cookies with doTERRA peppermint.
of course, Mario would like to have this chocolate cookies na to with coffee or tea.
But of course with the lemon oil.
Sa tea.
Sa tea.
That we can try.
Yeah.
Okay. So, syempre kailangan ng taste test, ano? So, we'll do that.
Let's taste it. My first cookie. Lasang-lasa po yung peppermint.
Yes.
And so, it's not that sweet. I remember, if you're health conscious, you can have alternatives for the recipe, like say use coconut sugar, stevia, or you can personalize this in your preference. Yeah. But of course with the doTERRA peppermint.
Again, so you can try this one. Of course, you would love it. Very soft. Sabi ng asawa ko, pinatikin ko na sa kanya, sabi niya, the best ever. Siyempre, gawa ng business. Again, tune in or watch us for another baking or another DIY. And please subscribe to our channel, Mario Brizuela MD. Okay? Have a good day.